Good afternoon, YouTube. So, if you like these unboxing videos, if you like my project videos, please like and subscribe. I really have a low number of subscribers, and if I'm going to make this channel work, I need more subscribers. So if you just happen to be browsing through and you saw this video and you want to watch it, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, so please subscribe. Now today, I'm reviewing a tool that I got from Amazon, and this is a woodworking square ruler gauge. And I mainly got this to transfer angles from one side of a board to another, but it is also a 3D miter angle measuring tool, multifunction woodworking tool. It's made of aluminum alloy, and it's black. And I got this specifically because it was black, because I think it's going to be easier for me to see all the markings on it and all the ruler markings. So without further ado, let's open it up. Oh, that's very nice looking. I like how they put a little plastic guard on the corner there to keep that angle nice and sharp. So mainly I got it for this function right here, to transfer angles, because I'm tired of getting angles that are off a little bit. Oh, and that works very nicely. To transfer angles. And of course, one of the other functions that I have here is drill hole making for different size drill holes. That looks like it's going to work really well. And right here, if I want to do different angles, I can mark on different angles, continue them out. But also, if I want to just do a 45-degree angle, put it on the edge there, and going right from a 90-degree to a 45-degree angle. Can make those cuts as well. Also right here, if I ever want to get into dovetailing, which I probably never will, I can trace out my different dovetail marks on it there. Plus, if I ever want to use this to draw lines across, it's very handy for that. I think they have them at every different centimeter mark, every 10 centimeters apart. Which that's very handy. And this way it kind of acts like a combination square. Which is very handy as well. I wouldn't have to sit there and adjust the square, just pick the right millimeter mark. Trace along. All in all, a very handy tool for the $13.99 I paid for it on Amazon. Apparently this is a Swan brand. So I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. Well, that works very well as a drill guide as well. So what's really nice about this too is, say I want to make a 50-degree angle. So I start with a dot down there, 50 degree. Then I'm able to just draw a line to connect the two. Works very well. So if you like these tool unboxings and reviews, please like and subscribe. And just remember, I'm just a guy. If I can do this, so can you. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Clyde, do you like my new square ruler guide? That's not what it's really for, Clyde.